How to remove a class from Google Classroom on a mobile phone. I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a class from Google Classroom on a mobile phone. When you're done teaching a class, you can archive it. It is archived for all students and teachers in the class. If you don't archive a class, students and teachers in the class continue to find it on their classes page. Teachers and co-teachers can archive a class, but only the primary teacher can delete a class. Students can't archive or delete a class. It's placed in a separate area to preserve the class materials, student work, and posts. You won't find it with your active classes on the classes page. You and your students can find an archived class. To use the class again, you have to restore it. You and your students can still access any class materials in Google Drive. Students can't unenroll from an archived class. This can limit how students can manage the classes they're done taking. The class calendar remains in your Google Calendar and your students' calendars. If you no longer need the class, you can remove its calendar from the display or delete it permanently. For instructions, first go to the delete or unsubscribe from a calendar. An archived class stays in Classroom until you delete it. That's why an archived class calendar still shows in your Google Calendar. You can copy classes before or after you archive them. Now go to Copy a Class and tap Classroom. On the class card, tap More and then Archive. Finally, tap Archive to confirm.